On the back of your refill, you're going to find some instructions about priming the refill pack. Now this is good to do when it's just brand new because it's sitting and it's very dry, or that it's been sitting, you haven't used it in a long while, and again the pads have dried out. Now it doesn't take much. You can take like a spray bottle, and you can just mist it. Doesn't take much moisture, or you can just dip your hand in some water and you just wipe that over your refill. Then you want to put your press together. And put it in your microwave for a short burst, like 10 seconds. Now your press is ready to go, primed and ready to go. Now again, when you open your press, if there's any moisture, you want to just wipe it off. On both sides. And now we're ready to get pressing.